Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, just some office work. But how come you called me at this time?
Uh, Actually, I was missing you badly, so I thought of giving you a surprise.
Surprise. As in?
Actually, I'm standing outside your office. Just finish your work soon and come down.
Kabir, listen, we aren't 21 anymore. Can you act a little more matured than this? And if you wanted to come and see me or pick me up, you could have called me and asked me at least once.
But at least you can come for 5 minutes, just meet me and go back. Finish your work.
What will happen in 5 minutes? Please talk a little practically. I can't just leave my work and come and see you for 5 minutes. And go home, I'll see you there only. I don't have time for all these things.
Hello?
Hey, hi.
What's up?
Nothing, all fine. So, how's your mom?
She's getting better. It is taking a little longer than we expected, but I'm also planning to take a week off from office to take care of her.
Yeah, I can understand. Listen, I'm sorry to ask, but have you thought anything about the trip which we were planning?
Yeah, I don't think I can go right now anywhere because my mother's health is not fine. I cannot imagine myself going anywhere.
Yeah, but what about all the pre-bookings and the money we have already paid in advance?
But we can go at some other time, no? Right now my mother's health is not fine.
I have got my holidays sanctioned from the office. I can't take these leaves again.
Yeah, I totally understand, but then what do you suggest?
See, practically thinking, we have already invested so much of time, effort and energy into it. So, if either of us is also going, then it's fine, right?
Okay, sure. Why not?
Fine, then I'll just make some changes with my agent, right? I'll call you in the evening.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Take care. The coffee is really nice.
Yeah. Listen, you remember that I told you my office is sending few people for further training to Pune?
Yes, of course, that 3-month project.
Yeah, I'm also in that list.
Really? That's amazing. When are you leaving?
Tuesday, I have a flight at 3 p.m.
Oh God, don't tell me. I cannot come to see you off. I won't get any leaves from office.
But we'll not be seeing each other for 3 months. Please come, I want you to see me off.
Don't act childish. You aren't going that far. And we'll stay connected over video call. Big deal. Honestly, I can't just keep on taking leaves like this from the office. I hope you understand. Please don't mind.
I do.
In this story, the wife is over practical in this relationship. Let's see what happens in the flip side of the story.
Listen, I cannot come down to see you. You please go from here. Hey,
Hey, I thought you weren't coming.
so? Only you can surprise me and I cannot? Listen now, I'm really hungry. Let's go to eat something.
Yeah, sure. She's getting better. It is taking a little longer than we expected, but I'm also planning to take a week off from office to take care of her.
Yeah, I can understand. Listen, I'll just cancel the trip.
But what about all the advance payments and all the leaves you got approved? I think you should take a solo trip.
Are you crazy? Auntie's health is more important. And I know you can't take care of her all by yourself.
But are you sure?
Of course I am. And listen, I'll cook her some soup. It'll make her feel better. I'll be there in next an hour or something.
Thank you. I love you.
You're welcome. And I love you too. Okay? Bye.
I'm also in that list.
Really? That's amazing. When are you leaving?
Tuesday. I have a flight at 3 p.m.
Don't tell me. I won't get an off.
Really? But I thought you will come to see me off.
That I will. I'll make up something. I'll call in sick. You don't worry about it.
But isn't it gonna be too much for you?
No, this is way more important for me. I can't believe I won't see you for next few months. How much I'm gonna miss you.
I'll miss you too, baby.
It's okay to be practical in a relationship, but sometimes you need that emotional angle, that emotional touch, a hug, a kiss, attention. All these things are real important tools in a relationship. So make sure to get that going. That's it for this story. See you next week. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you are facing any psychological or relationship problem, then you can join our group by the name Nijo Positive. It's a community counseling group wherein you can discuss your problems and people will try to solve or give support with positivity. Link is in the description below. Bye-bye.